Okay, there is also one other fraction question I would like to discuss, since a lot of people were struggling with that question during class, and not almost, but a lot of people made a mistake there. So I would like to discuss that question one more time. Of course, it's not the same question, but it's quite similar. So try to solve it for yourself. Hopefully you learned from your mistake in class, and then we will do it together. Okay, so let's do it together. So what went wrong in class was that a lot of people cancelled out the 2's here, which is of course not allowed, but a lot of people did that. And the GMAT knows that a lot of people do that, so of course the answer 2 plus 3 minus 3 plus 4 is minus 1 over 12 is in the answers, because they know people make these kind of mistakes. So the answers will not correct your error. So why is it not allowed, once again, to do that? Since this is not a multiplication. If you have like 2 plus 2 divided by 2 plus 3, you of course are not allowed to cancel out the 2's here. Why not? If you do that, you say that like 2 over 3 is the same as 4 over 5, which is not the case. You are allowed to do that when this is a multiplication in the fraction, like 2 times 2 divided by 2 times 3. Now you are allowed to cancel out, because this is 4 over 6, which is of course the same if you cancel out the 2's here, which is allowed, as 2 over 3. So here it is possible, yes, but here it's definitely not. So hopefully you didn't make that mistake this time again. So how should you solve it? So let's start with 2 over 2 plus, let's write the whole sum once more time, minus 2 plus 3 over 4. Okay, so first I want to have one fraction in the denominator. So 2 is the same as, 2 is the same as 6 over 3 plus 2 over 3 minus 2 divided by 8 over 4, which is the same as 2, plus 3 over 4. Now we can add them. So 2 divided by 8 over 3 minus 2 divided by 11 over 4. And hopefully you still know the really important rules when you divide by a fraction. You can multiple with the reciprocal. So that is 2 divided by 8 over 3 is the same as 2 times 3 over 8 minus 2 times 4 over 11, since the reciprocal of 11 over 4 is 4 over 11. So 2 times 4 over 11, and that is 6 over 8 minus 8 over 11. Okay, we don't have the answer yet, so we're gonna make them both 88. So 66 over 88 minus both times 8. Here's both times 11. So here it's 64 minus 88 over the 64 over 88, which is 2 over 88, which is the same as 1 over 44. And if we don't go back to the answer options, we see indeed option D is 1 over 44. So answer D.